Only the favored few were permitted to establish their enterprises in the past. Of course, the starting cash was required, and external investment was uncommon, unless you came from a commerce-savvy family. But today, anyone, irrespective of their professional experience or previous business experience, may establish and build an internet business. While the admittance challenges have been reduced, they still exist nonetheless. You must still develop a credible product idea, sourcing or production plan, and a sales model. None of these should dissuade you from launching an online business though. It's very doable, and in this video, we will be looking at how to start an online business. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. Most people understand running an online business, e-commerce, as selling or acquiring tangible things online. However, e-commerce encompasses the selling and purchasing of non-physical things, including services and digital products. E-commerce refers to a seller's whole effort when offering services directly to customers. It begins with an introduction to an item and extends through purchase, usage, and, ideally, continuous consumer loyalty. Not every online business experiences rapid online growth. Although scaling a business can often be challenging, whether a brick-and-mortar site or an online firm, running an online business has several benefits. For example, while a brick-and-mortar retailer has a specific audience, often within a certain radius of the store's location, an online business is not constrained by these limitations and may sell to a global audience. Numerous entrepreneurs gravitate toward online businesses because of the independence they provide. Modern technology, including laptops, tablets, business applications, and VoIP communications networks, enables organizations to function from any place. An online business allows you to avoid some of the enormous expenditures connected with a regular firm. Not only can you avoid costly office or commercial space and long-term lease agreements, but you can also avoid tying up your money in inventory stocking. A drop-shipping deal with a supplier can significantly decrease your financial risk and enable you to retain more consistent profits with less upfront investment. The typical cost of running an e-commerce shop is between $5,000 and $10,000 for a custom-built e-commerce website. A domain name ranges from $2 to $20, and hosting is about $300 a month. While each form of business has unique financing requirements, it is prudent to determine the amount required. To navigate and effectively launch your online business, the first step is to determine the practicality of your concept. As with a brick-and-mortar business, certain expenditures are associated with the venture. Once you've established that your idea is viable, it's time to create a complete business plan. Even if you do not intend to raise capital for your firm, setting up a business plan in the early stages is beneficial. It enables you to identify possible roadblocks and prepare for potential development and profitability. A well-crafted strategy will aid you in further defining your market, clarifying your objectives, creating a marketing roadmap, and making informed decisions. Then consider naming your business. This is a critical step in the launch phase. Seeing as your business will operate primarily online, your chosen name has to be usable for registration as a business name in your country and the digital space. The corporate structure you select will determine the legal and tax obligations you must comply with. Most small business owners choose between sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, LLC, or corporation. Additionally, like a brick-and-mortar firm, you would need to file all necessary business formation forms and other documentation to guarantee that your new venture is legal. The site of an online business can be equated to the location of a brick-and-mortar firm. And it would be best if you approach this process with equal attention as you would with location and lease hunting. Depending on the items or services you want to offer, you'll also need to examine and select your sources of supply and storage and the method of distribution to your consumers. Most importantly, don't skimp on your marketing strategies no matter what approach you use. While you may not physically cut the ribbon as you would with a physical firm, you will do so symbolically when you launch your website and inform the world that you are open for business. So, ensure you thoroughly market your online business. After following these steps religiously, a new e-commerce business may anticipate generating just under $39,000 in sales in its first month of operation and $6.5 million in total earnings after 3 years. A year online is practically like 5 years in real life when it comes to the internet. However, the fundamentals of starting and growing a successful internet business have remained constant. Follow this process if you're just getting started with a small internet company. If you have been online for a while, conduct an assessment to see if there is a step you are overlooking or never completed in the first place. The principles will never let you down. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.